All right, let's go ahead and go over this together. So it looks like this triangle started out here, AMN, and it got bigger going that way, right? So if the triangle was dilated in this direction, the center of dilation is over in this direction. So that means A would be our center of dilation. Okay, and our scale factor, this is a little bit tricky because our scale factor is a number, but this problem doesn't have any numbers in it. So how could we figure this out? Well, let's use a strategy where we input some sample numbers to see if we can find out a pattern, right? Let's pretend like we had lengths here of, I don't know, 3. Let's pretend like this length here was 3. If this length from A to N is 3, what's the length from N to C? That's also 3, right? Because AN and NC are congruent, so they have the same length. Now, if it's 3 from A to N, and it's 3 from N to C, how far is it from A to C? So the whole thing would be 6, right? So this whole length would be 6. So let's think. If I take AN and I multiply it by some scale factor of k, I'm going to get AC, right? So if I take this length right here, AN, and I multiply it by some scale factor k, I'm going to get the whole length AC. So if AN is 3 and AC is 6, then what number did I have to multiply 3 by to get 6? 2. And if we wanted to, we could keep trying this with different numbers. You know, if this was 4, this would also be 4. Add them up together, you get 8. 4 times something, some number is going to get us 8. Still going to be 2, right? So no matter what number we pick for the length of AN, we're always going to get a scale factor of 2, right? Because the midpoint is always going to be halfway in between. So our scale factor is 2. All right, let's move on to the next one.